All right, here we go. It says, "Oh, this is a doozy here. My family don't have cell phone like many people's families do. This is a hot mess. A hot mess. What do you got? Who's got something for me? Yeah, go right there, Addison. Richard, come on, man.
Don't needs to be done.
Don't does need to be doesn't. Ooh, that was a mouthful. All right, so don't does need to be doesn't. Try saying that once.
Don't does not.
Oh.
Don't. That's just.
So, all right, let's get that. My family doesn't.
I can't get it. How do I say it? I don't know.
All right, doesn't. What is doesn't? What two words is doesn't actually? What does that? What are those? James Jordan? Does not. Yes, you could say does not as well, couldn't you? Right? Arthur? Dale? Don't mess with me, Dale. All right, my family doesn't have the cell phone. My family doesn't have the cell phone like many people's families do. All right, it's like Adam Sandler said this.
I was just gonna say you sound like Adam.
All right, so what do we need to do there, Layla? Yes.
Needs to be changed into an A.
Yeah, okay.
My family does not have a cell phone.
Yes. My family doesn't have a cell phone like many people's families do. Feel like something else is wrong here. Oh, I know. I know. I'll be amazed. Go ahead, Izzy. Izzy, go. No. Well, you could. You could. That would work. Let's read that. My family doesn't have a cell phone like many families do. That works, but let's keep people's in. What do we need in people's? It's showing whose families? The people's families, right? So it's showing possession and belonging. What do we need to put before the S to show possession? Go. An apostrophe, yeah. So it's going to be P-E-O-P-L-E apostrophe S. Whose families? The people's families, right? I think that'll do it right there. It says, my family doesn't have a cell phone like many people's families do. I would rather just get rid of people's, but we're going to keep it in there for the apostrophe. All right. So how many corrections? We read, we edited, now we're going to write. And there's 3 corrections there. All right, let's look at this next one. Our phone have a long cord and we can't go outside to talk. Oh, man, I remember this as a kid. We had a phone on the wall that had a cord that was like 40 feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how we did it back in the day, y'all. All right, what do we need to fix here? Our phone have a long cord and we can't go outside and talk? That doesn't make any sense, right? Go ahead there, Layla.
Our phone has.
Yes, has, okay. Our phone has a long cord. Do we need the word and there? What do you think, Dubik? That would work. I was thinking you would use a different word, though, and change another word. Yes, Dubik, that works, but we're going to go different route. Yes.
Me?
Yes.
However, I use however.
So you guys are going to keep the word can't there. You know what? I'm going to go with but. That's a simpler. However is even better. Let's read them both. Let's read them both. We could have a big debate about this, an argument, if you will. I'm going to read Dubik's version first. Our phone has a long cord, comma, but we can't go outside and talk. Or, our phone has a long cord, however, we can't go outside and talk. Which one do you like better?
However.
Both of them work. I like however. Yeah, that's either one would work. I'm gonna put them both there. Anything else you see? Yeah, it wasn't really. Anything else? Anything? I think we're good. Let's read it one more time. Our phone has a long cord, but we can't go outside to talk. Yeah, I think 3 corrections there. Oop. There it is. All right, here we go. Draw a line between the prefix and the root word of the underlying word, then write the meaning on the line. All right, so we have I dislike our phone, but it works just fine. So let's take a look. We have DIS and then LIKE. There's the line. Dis, the word dis means not. So what does dislike mean? To not like. You guys got that? Because we know the prefix dis means not, right? Right, Dial? All right, Dial. All right, here we go. Circle the meaning of the bold word. If I just did this on a page with no other reference, right? If I just did this right here. Let's see. If I just did just like that, would you know what it meant?
No.
Why? Because Bill has multiple meanings, right?
Could be a name.
It could be a bill like a nose of an animal. It could be a bill as in someone's name that's not capitalized. It could be a bill as in legal tender. It could be a bill as in a piece of legislature, a rule, right? That's what I said, legal tender. So there's at least 4 different meanings. I'm telling you, I want to know. What does it mean?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why don't you know?
Multiple reasons.
Why can't you tell me the meaning of this word? Where do you need to see it?
In a sentence.
What do we call that, though? You need to see it in. You need to see it in context, right? So let's look at it in context then. Dad said I can have a cell phone when I can help pay the bill. Oh, I didn't even think of that one. When I can help pay the bill. What is the bill? A bird's beak?
No.
A piece of paper money?
No.
A printed list of money a person owes? And we know that because we saw it in someone said a sentence or in, everyone say it loud and proud? All right. And there it is, y'all. DLR, week 10, day 4.